Orlando is about to get a little bit cooler with construction on SeaWorld's latest family roller coaster coming to completion. Penguin Trek, a Bolliger and Mabillard family-launched coaster, will give riders the opportunity to ride through the Antarctic while in the Florida sun. Now, this family coaster will reach incredible speeds of 43 miles per hour on its multiple launches, and it does combine indoor show elements with intense outdoor segments before bringing riders to the Emperor Penguin colony in the park. Track is all in and testing is about to start. Is this roller coaster about to hit your bucket list? Let us know in the comments below.